Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to clear Chrome history. First open up Chrome browser and then click on this three dot icon, click on it, and after that click on settings and then click on privacy and security, click on it and then scroll down a little bit. So here as you can see clear browsing data, click on it and then you can select time from here, time range. If you want to delete all history, then just select this. If you want to delete just last 4 weeks data or history, then select this. You can select according to your name, but if you click on advanced, then you can keep some history. Like let's say you want to keep download history, so you will just, if you want to keep the download history, then uncheck this box. You can customize from here. Let's say I want to keep my cookies, so I will just uncheck this box. And then if I want to, let's say I want to delete all data from here, all history, I will select this and then just I will click on clear data. You can customize from here. Let's say you want to keep your password or download history, then you can uncheck from here. But if you want to clear up all, then just uh, mark this box and then click on clear data, and then your history will be clear up. So if I just show you history, you see no recent tab. I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, then please make sure subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Have a great day.